Back-to-back conversation. Conversation 1. Two persons introducing themselves.
Hello, I am Mia. I am from California and I live in Los Angeles.
Hello, I am Jaden. I'm from Chicago. How old are you, Mia?
I'm 12 years old. What about you?
I'm 12 years old too. I live and study in Chicago Excel Academy. Where do you study?
I study in class 6 in Mount St. Mary's College.
What are your hobbies?
I like to read books and play chess.
I too love to play chess.
We have a lot in common. We can be good friends.
That sounds great. I'd love to be friends with you.
Conversation 2. Introducing a friend.
Hello, Jaden. Do come in. I hope you didn't find it difficult to locate the house.
Not at all. The directions you gave me were perfect.
Jaden, come and meet my family. These are my parents. This is my younger sister, Tom, and this is Jaden, my classmate.
Good morning, Auntie. Good morning, Uncle. Hello, Tom. I'm really pleased to meet you all. I've heard so much about you from Mia.
We are pleased to meet you too.
Come, Jaden, let's go up to my room and complete the project. Then we can relax.
That's a good idea.
Conversation 3. Sharing the day's experiences.
Good to have you back early today, Dad.
Yes, it feels good. What about your presentation, Tom?
It was pretty good. The examiner asked me a few tricky questions towards the end of the presentation, but I managed all right.
How was your day at the office?
Oh, I had a very busy day. The boss was on leave, so I had to take care of his work too.
I had the most fantastic day in school. Two of our teachers were absent, so another teacher made us play games which we enjoyed.
Ava, did you go shopping with your sister?
No, she called to say she was unwell. So we postponed our shopping trip till tomorrow.
Then it must have been a relaxed day for you?
Yes, I watched TV and also got time to catch up with my reading. I did a lot of cooking too.
So we can look forward to an exotic meal.